Metadata is all of the data in a project other than the telemetry data, the curve data. You can see this data has been redacted. Metadata has customer information in it typically, so we've marked the project to redact sensitive data. That way the DList files we generate, or the LAS files, PDF files, etc., will not have any customer information in them. In order to generate deliverables in Plot Studio and Data Studio, you press the Deliver button, and it will create a series of parallel processes to generate each type of deliverable that we've specified. And in this example, we're going to generate a PDF, a DList, and a LAS. As soon as it's finished, the progress indicator will go away, and we can see all of our deliverables here in the project files panel. And if I right click on the DList, I can open it up with Schlumberger's info viewer and look at the metadata that was output to the file. And as you can see, the sensitive information, the operator, the well name, field name, country, region, all of that, latitude, longitude, it's all been redacted out. Another important thing to notice, this is a verification program, and notice that Schlumberger says we didn't generate any errors. That's always a good thing. There are other third-party apps that you can use. Here's a shareware program called the DList browser, and if you look at the parameters here, we can see similar types of things. This actually shows more information than Schlumberger, and all of our calibration verifications, everything is here, and of course the curve data is there. So if we scroll down to the bottom of this thing and look at the data, all of our curve data is also there. If we right click on the last file and open with Notepad, we'll see similar things. We can see the redaction here in the well information section, and the crew on board, the name of the crew members, and so forth, been redacted. Lots of calibration verification data, and then the actual data itself. If I select the DList and the LAS and then drag them up, we can look at that metadata in Data Studio and look at the curve data. Everything we see here is exactly what we started with. So these projects completely recreate everything that we started with on our original project. Here's the LAS, and you can see all of the information, calibration verification, survey data, the whole 9 yards. Here's the DList, same thing. Data's redacted. And duplicated as a DList file. So Data Studio, an important feature of Data Studio is it can generate lots of different types of files. It can open lots of different types of files. It's not limited to just talking to Cadence, which of course it can do as well, which is a SQL Server database. And here's the PDF we generated, also redacted. Lots of metadata.